Here you go. Come here, Gavin. Gavin, here, wipe your face. Here, you do it. Here, you do it. With your hand. So Mama can get your picture because she wants your picture.
Oh, no, Mia, you're going to fall over.
There you go. Here, wipe your face. Wipe your face. You need to clean your mouth. Just one good time so Mama can get it on camera.
He said, no, I'm just going to eat all your soup.
Okay, that's good stuff, though. You want some more? Here you go. Here you go. Yeah. No. Here, use your towel. Here you go. Wipe your hand. Here, wipe your hand. I'll let you do it because you do a lot better job than I do.
That's what Mia said.
Yeah, Mia's always spitting. That girl. It'll come down off the center. There you go. You got it. There you go.
You're eating all of Brenda's soup, Gavin.
Yeah, he's loving it.
And Hammond for the camera.
Mm-hmm.
Say hi. Look at that messy face. Go wipe your face. Nope.
Here, Gavin. Wipe your face for Mommy. Here. There you go. Wipe your face. Yes, I'm going to give you some more. You wipe your face for Mommy. There you go. Gavin. Gavin.
Wipe your mouth. Wipe your mouth.
With the towel, honey. So use the towel.
He's just not going to do it now. Oh, well.